Hi, I'm Kat. I'm a Strong First Elite instructor, and I was Artemis's strength student back in late 2019, early 2020. I did a 12-week training program with her, and it was amazing. Basically, what I had wanted to focus on at that time was improving my deadlift, my bench press, my back squat, getting better at pull-ups or less crappy at pull-ups. So she wrote this amazing custom plan for me, and it was awesome. I won't lie, it was hard work. Like, Artemis will write a program for you where you have to put in the work. But I learned so much. I mean, she would record little videos for me being like, okay, cool. I looked at your deadlift. Here's what you need to fix, right? You're spending too long in the setup. Here's how you're going to be more efficient and get a better wedge so you can have a stronger deadlift, right? Same thing with the bench press. She would make these videos, these super effective, helpful videos that would show me what I was doing wrong and how I could fix it to make all my lifts stronger. So I really progressed a lot during those 12 weeks. I wanted to work with Artemis just because she was one of my strength heroes. I mean, I had met her a couple times at Strong First events and had been exposed to a lot of her content and teachings online, and I knew that she was just somebody that I wanted to learn from. And so I just went for it, and I had her put together this plan called the Work My Weaknesses plan, all these lifts that I wasn't very good at, right? That she was going to help me get stronger at. So, yeah, like from a programming perspective, the programming was amazing, super effective, super comprehensive, right? Single leg work, push, pull, hinge, squat, like warm-ups, mobility, like she covers all of those bases. And then also she's just she listens to you as a coach, listens to everything that you want to do, really comes up with a customized plan for you. And then she's there for you to support you. I remember this was back when I was a gym owner. If you don't know, the gym owner life is insane. And at the beginning of the program, I got overwhelmed, and I was like, Artemis, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know how I have time to complete these training sessions. And, this is so much, and I was basically just getting used to the beginning of the program. But she was super sweet. She listened to me. She was like, cool, I get it. If you do need to shorten a training session, here are the things you can cut out, right? A, B, and C. You can skip those if you need to. However, here are the things that you should not skip and that you need to do, right? If you want to get stronger in XYZ lifts, you have to do the work, and here is the work, right? And so I loved that in the most supportive and kind way, she was able to call me on my bullshit and call me on my excuses, and kind of provide me with that little kick in the pants and that motivation that I needed to not make excuses and be like, okay, you know what, I can make the time to fit this in. So amazing coach, ridiculously knowledgeable about how to get really strong and conditioned, is there for you, listens to you, tweaks things as you need it. And I made a lot of gains in that program, got really a lot stronger in deadlift, bench, back squat, my pulling movements. It was a lot of fun, and I learned so much. So I would totally do it again. Thanks so much, Artemis. It was great. So yeah.